welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to give a 4-year update on this modern mailbox we made 4 years ago.
First off, let's talk about how it's holding up. Well, very happy to say that is still holding up very, very well. There's no leaning or wobble or anything like that to it. Now, I was a little concerned when we first did this because we didn't make the holes for the post as deep as I felt like we should have. But at the time, again, it was June in Florida, super hot. We did the best we could, and at some point we just gave up. So I was a little concerned that we may have some tilting at some point. We did use foam hole filler as opposed to concrete. And again, that was a little bit of a concern to me because I've never used that before, didn't know how it would hold up. But it's holding up so well. And the structure of the mailbox itself is doing really well. There are no loose boards on it, nothing like that. So the glue and the brad nails that we used, structurally very, very sound. So it's great.
Now for the numbers, we decided to actually create vinyl letters using our Cricut Maker vinyl cutting machine. And we weren't sure how those were going to hold up because they are made for outdoors, the vinyl is, but it says it lasts about 3 years. So it's been 4. The letters though are holding up strong. Now what you see right here, this is not our house numbers. We just put some fake numbers on there, but here is an example of what the number looks like. And you can see it's held up really well. It's still strong onto the mailbox. There's really been no issues with it. So it's definitely held up longer than 3 years. And I think this was a great solution for this. And I would definitely do it again in the future for house numbers.
Now, the only thing that's actually failed on this mailbox is the light, and it's really not a fail. It's more of a, I didn't pay attention to what was going on, but the battery and the light actually failed. And those rechargeable batteries, I think, last about a year, and they do need to be replaced. So I really didn't think about it. I didn't go out here and look, but we did take it off and look at it and put in a new rechargeable battery, and you know what? It works. It works. So no need to buy a new one. You just need to be diligent about replacing those batteries.
Yes. Now, the afterthought of this project was actually putting some landscaping around the mailbox. And we ended up doing that, and we just threw in some monkey grass from my yard, actually, that we just kind of pull out of the ground.
Literally pulled it out of the ground.
Yes, and you can see it is thriving. The monkey grass is doing really well on this side. Not as well on the other side, but it's still lasting really well. So I would say if you want to do some landscaping, just pull some monkey grass from my yard, and you're good to go.
Actually, anyone's yard, just ask them if you're going to have a clump of monkey grass.
Yes.
You don't really need very much. And I think that's the biggest surprise of this mailbox is how well that monkey grass has thrived. Yeah. And this is the south side, so the south side is actually growing way better than the north side. But how fun is that?
Yeah. So I would say if you want to do a mailbox like this, it is going to last at least 4 years, if not longer. It is still holding strong. It's a little dirty on the gray area, and it is an outdoor paint that we used. So we could easily clean that or repaint some of the dirty areas, but it's not enough to really need it. And the mailbox itself is holding up really well. We did make it so we could remove their mailbox and replace it if we needed to in the future, but it's still holding strong, no rust or anything like that. So I think this mailbox is going to stand the test of time.
Oh, that's a good way to put it.
Yes. So thanks for joining, and if you want to see that original video of how to put together this mailbox, there's a link right here, and you can always find more projects from us at motherdaughterprojects.com. All right,